Let's take a live look at Latham right now with a lot of blue sky, but some of those high thin clouds working their way in. That's going to be the general theme for today. We'll be seeing blue sky mixed with a gradual increase of high to mid-level clouds throughout the day today. And the general theme is pretty much shown here with a few cumulus clouds mixed in with those high-level cirrus clouds working their way in throughout the area with temperatures in the 60s. Pittsfield's a bit cooler though, sitting at 55 degrees, but overall not too bad in terms of the temperatures. We're overall on the way for a seasonable afternoon. Temperatures climbing through the 60s. We've got lower 60s through the valley regions. The Adirondacks close to 60, a few upper 50 readings in the Catskills are in the mid to upper 50s. So we're dry right now. We're going to be dry for the rest of the day today, but just in the more the way of increasing cloud cover from southwest to northeast. So northern counties and eastern counties are basking a bit more in the sunshine than our south and western counties, to say the least. This area of rain is kind of being eaten away by this high pressure. That's why it's going to take its sweet time really to get here. We'll get here until the overnight tonight, especially after midnight. So this is our first storm system that we're tracking. Our second system is in the Central Plains, which isn't going to move in until Sunday evening into the morning hours on Monday. That second system will have the benefit of more intensification and a lot more moisture to work with. So it's looking to be a bit more of a significant rain event than this initial round of rain. It's not going to move in until the Saturday morning, mainly towards the Saturday morning hours. Notice 6:15 a.m. we got the rain in our doorstep. Could be a bit moderate at times and then becoming more scattered by the afternoon hours. However, the main theme is going to be dreary conditions, unseasonably cool temperatures, overcast skies, and scattered showers throughout the area. Just an overall very damp day. We should be pretty dry for the overnight hours Saturday into Sunday morning before our second system moves in, mainly towards the evening hours on Sunday, heading through the overnight hours. Notice Sunday at 7 p.m. we got some moderate pockets of rain. A few embedded downpours as well. Look at this. This indicates some pretty heavy rain, and that's going to be the theme throughout the Sunday overnight hours. Now, tomorrow, in terms of some wind gusts, not really general concern for the valley regions. However, towards the higher terrain, let's say at about 1,500 to 2,000 feet or so, we could be seeing some more higher wind gusts at around 20, maybe 30 miles per hour at times. But again, for lower elevations, that includes Albany, maybe isolated gusts at 20 miles per hour here and there. But overall, not really expecting much in the way of wind gusts for tomorrow. Now, for the whole entire weekend, that's including both of these systems, looking at a general 1 to 2 inches, with some of the higher totals mainly towards our upslope, higher elevations, because we're going to be getting more easterly flow, so that will enhance rainfall rates there. But overall, looking at a pretty soaking weekend, to say the least. Afterwards, we're looking at another upper level low situating over our region toward mid next week, so unsettled conditions and cool temperatures are to persist. 65 degrees for today with increasing cloud cover, 45 for tonight, with the chance of showers mainly closer to sunrise, and then just a chilly and damp day tomorrow with periods of rain, overcast skies, and temperatures in the mid-50s. Some showers Sunday could squeeze out a bit of dry conditions, but then the overnight Sunday is looking pretty messy, to say the least, with heavy rain and breezy conditions. Then cool and unsettled for next week. So not a great stretch of weather at all, to say the least. If you want to get outside, I think today is the day to do it. Next week, not a washout, mainly scattered showers, but this weekend more so soggy.
Right. Well, not the best way to start May, but there's a lot of room for improvement.
Absolutely, yes. And we got a whole month of May to hopefully get some better weather.
Right. Exactly. Thank you so much, Eric.